Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my name is Umair Hamdan Muhtarom, student ID 23015053. In this presentation, I will explain about non-clauses and their usage, especially in topic related to informatic engineering. I will also give example and short summary of a smart device. Definition of non-clause. A non-clause is a dependent clause, which means it cannot stand alone. It functions as a noun and can replace the subject or object in a sentence. Non-clauses are commonly used in academic and technical English, including informatic engineering. Example, what the need is better security. The programmer understand how the code works. Next, function of non-clauses. Non-clauses have several important functions. They can act as the subject, object, or complement in a sentence. These functions are often used when explaining system, problem, or process in technology. Example, what the server storage is confidential data. That's a subject. The engineer know how the network works. That's the object. The problem is why the system failed. That's the complement. Next, non-clause using what. The word what is used to refer to information or thing. In informatic engineering, it is often used to explain system requirement, hardware needs, or software feature. Example, what the computer need is a faster processor. The technician check what the system require. The developer decide what feature are important. Next, noun clause using who or whom. Who and whom are used to refer to people. In technology, these noun clauses are often related to system access, network management, and user role. Example, the manager know who control the network system. The database record whom the message was sent to. The company decide who has access to the server. Next, noun clause using where. Noun clause using where explain location. In informatic engineering, this usually refer to server, database, or cloud storage location. Example, the administrator know where the server is located. The system show where the data is stored. Engineer decide what the backup is safe. Next, noun clause using when. The word when is used to explain time. This is important in system monitoring, error tracking, and software update. Example, the system record when the error occurred. Developer know when the software is updated. The log file show when the user log in. Noun clause using why. Why is explain reason in informatic engineering. It is very important for analyzing problem and find solution. Example, the analyst explain why the system crash. The team investigate why the network is slow. The report show why the data was lost. Next, noun clause using which or whose. Which and whose are used to give specific detail. These clauses are often related to software selection, device control, and data security. Example, the user select which application is installed. The system identifies whose data was accessed. The admin decide which device is allowed. Next, noun clause using how. How is used to explain process or method. This is very common in programming, artificial intelligence, and system design. Example, the tutorial explain how the program work. Engineering study how AI process data. Student learn how the algorithm runs. Next, non-clause using if or whether. If and whether are used to express condition. These non-clauses are commonly used in authorization, authentication, and network system. Example, the system check whether the user is authorized. The application detect if the device is connected. The server verifies whether the request is valid. Next, smart device introduction. A smartphone is a smart device that combines communication and computing technology. It uses operating system such as Android or iOS and is widely used today. Next, smart device body. Smart support many features as a internet access, application, and cloud service. They also have sensor and security features that help user in daily activities. Next, smart device conclusion. In conclusion, smartphone help improve efficiency and support informatic engineering. With AI integration, smartphone continue to develop and become smarter. Thank you for your attention. This is all my presentation. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.